Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, April 13th. I finally am able to find a little bit of time to create a video that shows you how to register into your My Finance Lab. As you know already, most of you, I've been using another video that for the same purpose for another class in your Module 0. Now I'm going to just do it. Do one specifically for this class so that people that are still in need of registering for My Finance Lab have this resource to refer to. Now notice that we're right now in the syllabus for our class, and if I go down, I have added a few notes to this section right there. Notice that I say that you will need a 16-digit access code that comes bundled with our book if you bought it from our bookstore, or you can actually get the access code by buying it directly through the publisher. And so there, the options below here explains that already. Now either way, you need the access code, and the next step would be to actually then just simply go in and register for My Finance Lab. If you had a previous class that had My Lab, you probably used a course ID. You don't need that anymore. Notice note number 2 says here you will not need a course ID since our Canvas course is already linked to the correct section of MFL. And so that's different if you have a Canvas-based paired class to My Lab. Now, if you need more, a little more detail as to what the process is, you can just go to this handout. But it basically just redirects you to the link My Lab and Mastering, which is on the left side navigation up here, right there. Now notice there's another link to MFL over here. It says direct to MFL outside of Canvas. Do not use that one for registering into MFL. You need to do it through this link here. So let's see, that's what I said here. I think, yeah. What else is there? There's also this video that I'm creating at the moment will be placed in Module 0, so it will replace whatever is there at the moment. So let's do it very, very easily. So I'm going to actually, to make this quick, I will go into my student view to show you what you would see instead of my view. And to make this work, I'm sorry, I'm moving too fast, I know. I need to reset it, so I'm going to reset it right now. And it's done. Okay. So now I can go there to My Lab and Mastering. I will do that. Then you see a couple of links. You can choose any of these links, and then it will take you to this privacy statement you accepted. And then you come to this page. And if this is your first time creating a Pearson account, any kind of My Lab account will use the same Pearson account, then you're fine. You can just go in and log in. But you haven't created it yet. If this is your first time, then you create the account, especially a dialog box that has a lot of your contact information in there. Very easy, very, very simple. Then once you do that, you come back here. Then you put in your account info, username and password for Pearson, and sign in. Then you get to this page. And again, if you bought the book from our bookstore, you would have the access code, or if you bought it through the other two options, you can buy it through here. This is where you do this. So again, if you have want to do either option, I guess it will be 2A or 2B in this class, you can go through here, get the access code, and then come back and use this other link here, and then that's where you would put it in. Now, at times you may need a little more time to buy your access. In that case, you can use a temporary link here. For 14 days, you get to use the full tool, but then you need to upgrade within those 14 days, or you will not be able to go in there any longer. So once you get your access code, either way you do it, or any way you do it, you put it here, you enter that there, and there will be a couple of other screens beyond this, but at that point you will be done. You will be in the right MFL section for our class. Take care. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in class online. Bye-bye.